This hunger done too much, oh. Kai. Where all these witches where they give person food chop for inside dream now?
Akpundu will hear of this.
Witches and wizards, my village people. Where on a day now? Make una can't use me. Make una can't use food possess me, I beg. I want to be possessed.
Hey! I hear me, by me.
My master. Should we get him possessed by feeding him? No. Don't even think about it. This boy has no future. No destiny. He's a useless boy. If you feed him, it will be a waste of food. And you know how hard things have become for us in the spirit world since the coronavirus pandemic. Send him back to where he came from. Let the hunger continue to deal with him there. Yes, master. So now I take come back without food. Hi. Hunger continues. Brother, good afternoon. I bet no verse, yeah. If you find me small thing, may I take buy food chop. Hunger won't tear me pieces like this. See, I was once like you. I started from the bottom. Now I'm here. You see, in life, you have to fire, and refire until you acquire the thing that you are required to aspire and desire. Che!
Jesus is Lord.
I remember when I could not afford a cup of gari. Wow! I stayed for 365 days. No food, no water.
You must be lying!
But look at me now. Your hunger just started. Take the hunger one day at a time and you will get used to it.
Here is God. Oh.
If I could do it, then you can do it too. You can thank me later. For now, bye-bye. Kai. Akpundu, you have suffered. Kai, I have suffered. Chai. Hey, I have suffered in this world. Why my mama born me without my permission? Who sent them? Hey. Wait. No just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wait there in front so that you go follow for the first people who go to see our future videos.
Ibo la ń lọ ènìyàn.